Hey, Chris from Codify Academy here. In this video, I want to cover what happens when we add a different number of values to some properties, like margin or padding for instance. We can add between 1 and 4 values to some CSS properties and we'll get different results. So the thing we need to try to remember is based on the number of values given, what sides are those numbers actually going to apply on. So the first one, if we pass in 1 value, what happens? So let's apply this to our heading 1 tag here. We're looking at the same code from the last video. And if we add a margin of 5 pixels, we see it just applies all around. Top, right, bottom, left. Same with padding. If we add in 1 value, we can see 10 pixels all around. So what happens when we pass in 2 values to margin or padding? We'll do 10 pixels and then a space and 15 pixels. And we can see the 10 is applied to the top and the bottom, and the 15 is applied to the left and the right. Let's try it again on the padding. And we can see here, 5 for the top and the bottom, and 20 for the left and the right. So 2 values, the first one is top and bottom, second is left and right. And then we have 4 values. This one's easier than 3 values, so we're doing this one first. So when we give 4 values, the first number is applied to the top, the second one to the right, the third to the bottom, and the fourth to the left. It just goes top and then clockwise around. Then if we have 3 values, this is where it gets a little bit trickier. So the first one is for the top, the second one is for the left and the right, and the third one is for the bottom. So here we have 10 on the top, 5 on the right and the left, and 20 on the bottom.